Hello guys, I'm Parvez and this is our 20th video in Python for data science and our 6th video in Matplotlib. In the last video we have covered how you can add legends in Matplotlib. In this video I'm going to show you how you can control the color in Matplotlib. In the previous videos I have mentioned that when you're going to plot some lines, the color is controlled automatically by Matplotlib. You can see that we have now this kind of colors. This is automatically done by Matplotlib. But if you want to do by yourself, you can do this in Matplotlib. Today I'm going to show you this. Okay. Now I'm going to make a new Python file. I call it color controlling. I'm importing a numpy as in p and matplotlib.pyplot as plt. I'm making an numpy array in p.arrange in the range of 1 to 8. After that I'm going to plot 3 lines. The first one is X, and the color I give this yellow. You can give this Y. Okay, we have different colors. You can give it Y, you can give it we have R for red, we have K for black, W for white, plt.plot, another line, X plus I give it X plus 2, like this. The color I give for this is G green. After that I'm going to plot another line, X plus 4, and the color should be B blue. Okay, now if I show my plots and if I run this, you can see that now we have our colors. We have yellow, we have green, and we have blue. Okay, you can change the color. For example, if you want this yellow should be black, you can give it K. If you run this, you can see that now we have a black color. You can use different colors in Matplotlib and you can control these colors by yourself. This was our color controlling videos. Please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching the video.